Hey guys, tonight we're doing some chuck eye steaks on the Blackstone Griddle. We're also going to have some green beans. I'm going to cover them in garlic, pepper, and salt. They're going to be awesome. Chuck eye is an awesome meat. It's like a ribeye, but way cheaper. So let's get going. Right now I'm just going to pat these guys down. I'm not going to rinse them off because you should not rinse off meat. All you're going to do is just spread the bacteria around the kitchen. So let me, that's two pieces. Well, it is now. So I'm going to dry these off, and we're going to put some salt, pepper, and garlic on there. Let me switch hands. Start off with the garlic. There's Ava. Hi, Ava. A little pepper on this side. And the salt is one of these kind, so I can't really hold the phone. Let me try this. Nope, not gonna work. So you're gonna have to believe me on the salt. Let me do that real quick. All right. Let me flip them back over. Do a little garlic. A little pepper. And again with the salt. Give me 1 second. All right. I'm gonna let that soak in a little bit, maybe 30 minutes or so in the fridge. We'll be right back. Right, Ava? Sit. What? Good. Sit. We'll be right back. All right, we got the right two on high, the left two on medium. Let's get this going. So we got these guys. You see them all right? Chuck eye steaks. Now this one I'm going to put over here. We're not going to use that one again. We have some just some frozen green beans. Open them up. Chop them down. Gonna thaw them out real quick. So pepper, garlic, and some Himalayan salt. We just made these green beans unhealthy. Congratulations. Mix them around a little bit. What is that? So fancy. So I'm just going to spread them out, thaw them out a little bit. Oh, don't go down there. The green beans go to die. So spread them out. We're going to put them under the under a lid in a little bit here. The steaks, we're going to let them sear up a little bit. Alright, they're starting to, they're not frozen anymore. Just go ahead and put them in a pile. Cover them up. The Blackstone lid. Throw water down. Steam them up. Leaving the steak alone. Alright, let's flip these guys, see where they're at. Look at that! They're looking nice. So it's been about 3 or 4 minutes on one side. Flip them over. We're going to do them like rare, medium rare. So we're looking for 135, 140 internal temp. Got the fancy Pro. We'll get a better one at some point. This one always goes between Fahrenheit and centigrade. And I can never get it back, so I just got to Google, hey, what's 34 centigrade to Fahrenheit? But it's working today, so it's good. You know what, they're already seasoned. I'm going to throw a little more pepper on them anyway. More garlic, because that's what we like. And a little more salt, because that's what we like. I'm going to move these guys off for a minute. Now these guys need a little bit more garlic, I can tell. And a bit more pepper. Mix them up a little bit. So I'm just going to brown these guys up a little bit. Cover them back up. I might actually turn it down over on this side a little bit. Steaks are going well. All right, let's see where they're at. 125. Ooh, 136. So these guys are just about finished. I flip them over one more time. And I'm going to turn this off over here. Move these guys around. Now I'm going to spread them out. I'm going to brown them up a little bit. Let's spread them out nice. Ooh, a little bit of steak fat. I was just told we're also going to throw on a frozen burger for one of my daughters. These steaks are done though, so let's take those off. This is a brand new clean one. We have like 4 or 5 of these same trays. Look at those. These are about done too. So I finish this up. We'll see you guys inside. Well, not inside. I'll probably cut into it out here. Alright, let's see how it turned out. Looks pretty nice, nice and juicy. Got my Blackstone cutting board here. Look at that. That looks amazing. I'm gonna try a little piece. That is great. So, don't pass up the chuck eye roast. These things are great. Add a little green beans to them. Maybe some tomatoes. And you're set. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.